We got kayakers out fishing today. We got, oh, some of them already disappeared. Gonna be doing some temu fishing today. Got off a temu. See how this does. We'll work on it.
I'm gonna catch far.
Alright.
Oh, it got it by.
Okay, pick up. He's a little guy, whatever it is.
Help me.
Pick it up. Feeling fast enough.
Yep, I was not because I did not feel him.
He's gonna move a little bit.
He's gonna move a little.
Little bit.
Can I hold
I think
him?
he's a baby croaker. Slimy. Let him go.
He went like.
Be quick. You gotta let him go. Let him back in the water.
I got it.
Alright, go. Be quick. He can't hurt you. Hurt you, just go.
Go.
He's not gonna hurt you, I promise. Get him quick.
Can I go like. Tommy pushes my neck. Pushes my chin.
Bye, little dude.